properly? Yes, it is. See, it's created two other functions now. So since this is a bot instead of an actual calculator, I have to add other stuff on the side because because if I just created this and just left it all plain and simple, it will ruin the whole point of the bot I created, and I'll change the name from bot to Tony Stark. Please forgive me. Alright, I'll update my skills and I'll be better, and I promise that each and every project I'll make after this is way more advanced. That's a lie. I'll just build up my skills. So we'll name it Jarvis. Alright, note that every bot I'll be creating, I'll be naming Jarvis. Anyway, moving on, I'll say, hey, my name is Jarvis, your very own personal basic math bot. This is a disgrace. Jarvis isn't for basic stuff. So the two functions in basic calculator are done. We're moving on to division now. And yes, sort of typing everything. Programmers are very lazy. Programmers are the laziest people. Okay. Saying void, let's put a space. Void division. Under division, we'll just paste everything and remove this, rename it division. Okay, enter num1, enter num2. Okay, changing that to division, and instead of saying the difference in this, we will say the quotient. How do you spell quotient again? Oh my days, and I'm making a video on coding. Quotient. I was kidding. So we're gonna remove this sign over here and just put this. Now I will not get into the nitty-gritty about different data types in terms of float, double. No, I'll just keep it basic. Not be specific about how many decimals after the comma. I'll just leave it at that. Alright, we'll get to the advanced stuff later. Keep in mind, I'm still a beginner as well. So moving on to, is everything okay here? Okay, the quotient of, yeah. Okay, moving on to, oh my bad, I have to edit here as well. Case 3, we have division. And we add a break, close it. Everything's still good. Oh, it's the void. If I just remove this, is everything still good? Yes, no, it isn't. I didn't close the division. Now, is everything still good? Yes, thank you. Is there a need to test it out, or should we just continue? Okay, let's test it out. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Enter number, we say subtraction. I like this, but I should have added a space here. But okay, num1 we say 45, num2 we say 26. Difference between 45 and 26 is 19. Before you ask, yes, my calculator works. Alright, no need to pull out your calculator on the side and try. No, everything's okay. Alright, I hope so. Let's try the division. Huh? Oh snap, division is 3. I messed up. Division is 3. Should I just... Okay, we'll fix that after multiplication. I say void multiplication. Does it make sense? Yes, multiplication. Okay. I may be fluent in English, but my spelling is also fluent. I just don't trust it. Is spelling fluent or does it make sense? Yeah, I need to start reading again because this is not going to work. Paste everything. Like always, we remove the subtraction. We say multiplication. What on earth? Multiplication. Oh my days, what was that? What was that? I definitely need to start reading again. My pronunciation is getting... Okay. Instead of saying the difference, now we say the product. The product of num1 and num2 is... We change the sign, we put a star. This is multiplication, right? I hope so. Okay, we did multiplication and we add another case. Let me cook. Okay, let's try it. Did I add a break? Okay, I added a break. Let's try it. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Wait, what's division again? Did I make a mistake? No, division is 4. I don't trust the multiplication one. Into num1, say 4. Keep it simple. 2. Okay, it works. Let's check out the division one, which is the one I by far I am not sure of the most. Division, let's say 8 by 2, that's 4. Now, in terms of decimals, we say, oh, okay, I made a mistake with the division part. We have to change this because it's division. No, it's not division. Okay. Since this is division, we won't say integer because if we use integer in division, it will round off to an integer. So instead, we use float. I highly recommend using double, but to keep things simple, we use float. So division, num1, say 45 by 2, 22.5. Splendid. Okay, for the basics, this chatbot should be complete. Oh, let's error checking, say 8, invalid response. Okay, good. So now for the basic part of it, our calculator technically is complete. Calculator. Now we get to the chatbot part, adding some flair and making it look good whenever you run the code. So, hello, my name is Jarvis. What should we add? I'll be adding some nonsense on the side, so bear with me. Chatbot. I'll put this. Oh my days, no. I'll put this here. I added 2, right? No, 3. Put a new line. And put another new line here. 2 lines actually. Oh, this is going to be a lot of spaces. Let me try something. Jarvis MathBot. You know what? Let's bank this idea for now. Let's try running this. Oh my days, that looks so horrible. That looks horrible. I said, oh, I was supposed to put this part over here. There's already a new line. Let me just remove this. Oh yeah, let's put a tab. Put 2 actually. For no reason. I still don't like it. It is still horrible. Let's just put another one and put another new line here. I don't have those advanced skills to edit this. Alright, so let me use my basic skills to see what I can come up with. See, now this, I like it. I wanted it here, but I'll settle. Your very own personal basic math bot. Each and every response will be expected, and since this isn't an advanced bot, you can't freestyle responses. Okay, this isn't bad. This isn't bad. I feel like I can do more, but I don't want to ruin it. So I'm thinking of an idea. What if I were to have 2 separate menus? Like initially you'd have the math menu that you normally pick, and then on the side you'd have maybe, no, not a trivia. Ooh, let's add a quiz. Oh, that would be cool. That would be cool. Okay, so since this menu is just pops up, I'll add. I have an idea. This is menu 1. No, this is menu 2. Comment this one out. I hope my idea works. It'll be, this is menu 2, then add void menu 1. Menu 1 will contain one quiz, or would you say try a quiz? Should it be a math quiz or a science quiz? Try a math quiz. Okay, that does make sense. How would I include a math quiz and underneath a calculator? I am cooking though, but I'm cooking a horrible idea. But it does make a bit of sense. Psh, I'm lying to myself. No, it doesn't. Okay, maybe on the next video we'll make a quiz. But for now, let's keep things simple. Like I said, it's a basic chatbot. Alright, so oh my days, I commented it out. Jesus, blasphemy. I'm sorry. I commented it out. But yeah, bot will be updated by developers over time. By developers means myself. But for now, we'll keep things basic and leave it here. Thank you for watching. Which technically I made these for myself, but I'll upload each and every one of them on YouTube, just to remind myself each and every time I learn a new language, so that if I go back, I'll have like a reference on the projects I created, or in case I lose any of the projects I made, I'll have evidence that I made something. But this has been Lowell. Peace.